Welcome to today's video where I will be sharing a secret technique that takes 1 week or less to bring your desired outcomes to life. This technique is based on the teachings of Neville Goddard, a great mystic and writer of the previous century. His teachings have brought revolution and change to the lives of millions of people who, after studying his teachings, were successful in every part of their lives. Neville Goddard proposed many techniques to manifest your desires using the power of thoughts. But the technique I'm going to share with you today is one that most people are unaware of. This technique works on the principle of the law of assumption. As Neville Goddard said, if you can hold it in your head, you can hold it in your hand. Everything that comes into your mind in the form of an idea or thought is possible for you, and if you can imagine it to be yours, it will be yours. In this technique, you will make positive assumptions about your desire in detail, because according to Neville Goddard, assumptions harden into facts and become our reality. You just have to believe that your assumptions are true in your heart. In the manifesting community, assumptions and imagination have great importance and are often discussed in great detail. Our actions are the result of our thoughts. So if we make positive assumptions about our desires, we will take positive action and ultimately manifest our desires. Now let's dive into the technique step by step. The first step in the manifestation technique is to know your desire. This step is crucial because it lays the foundation for the entire manifestation process. Without knowing exactly what you want, it becomes difficult to focus your thoughts and energy on manifesting your desires. To start, ask yourself what your desire is and why you want it. Be specific and clear about what you want, and don't be afraid to dream big. Write down your desires in detail and think about how they will positively impact your life. Take some time to think about your desires and what they mean to you. Once you have a clear understanding of your desire, it's important to understand the reason behind it. Knowing the reason for your desire helps you better understand yourself and make the best use of your imagination. This can be an emotional reason, such as wanting to bring happiness to your family, or a practical reason, such as wanting to secure your financial future. When you have a strong reason for your desire, it becomes easier to focus your thoughts and energy on making it a reality. It's also important to be realistic about your desires. While it's good to dream big, it's important to make sure your desires are achievable. Consider the resources and skills you have at your disposal and think about the steps you need to take to make your desire a reality. The second step of the technique is writing your intentions in the form of affirmations. This step plays a crucial role in manifestation, as it helps you focus your thoughts and beliefs on your desired outcome. Writing affirmations helps you align your mind with your desired outcome and reinforces the idea that you have already manifested your desire. When writing your affirmations, it's important to write them in the present tense and use positive language. This is because your affirmations should reflect the reality that you have already manifested your desire. For example, instead of writing, "I will have more money," write, "I have an abundance of money." This shift in language helps your mind to believe that your desire has already been achieved. It's also important to choose affirmations that resonate with you and are specific to your desired outcome. Your affirmations should be short, concise, and easy to remember. The more often you read your affirmations, the more your mind will believe in them and work towards manifesting your desires. Writing affirmations is a powerful tool for manifestation, and you can use them in many ways. You can write them on sticky notes and place them around your house where you will see them often. You can also recite your affirmations in the morning and before you go to bed. This helps you start and end your day with positive thoughts and reinforces your beliefs in your desired outcome. The third step of the technique, visualization, is one of the most important steps as it trains your mind to believe that your desire has already been manifested. This step requires you to use your imagination and creativity to create a vivid mental image of your desire as if it has already happened. When visualizing, make sure to use all of your senses. See yourself in your desired outcome, feel the emotions you would feel if your desire has already been manifested, and hear the sounds that accompany your desire. For example, if you want to manifest a new car, visualize yourself driving it. Feel the wind blowing in your hair and the smoothness of the ride. It's important to focus on the present moment and not the future. Instead of visualizing yourself in the future, imagine that your desire has already happened and you are living it in the present moment. This helps your mind to believe that your desire is already a reality and eliminates any doubts or fears. It's also important to visualize often, at least once a day, preferably twice a day. This repetition helps to embed the visualization into your subconscious mind and makes it stronger. The stronger the visualization, the stronger the belief, and the faster your manifestation will come to reality. Finally, when visualizing, it's important to focus on the feeling and emotions associated with your desire. Positive emotions like happiness, excitement, and gratitude help to attract more positivity into your life and speed up the manifestation process. The final step in the manifestation technique is to take action towards your desire. Taking action is crucial in manifesting your desires because it shows the universe that you are serious and committed to your goal. By taking action, you are sending a message to the universe that you believe in your manifestation and that you are ready to receive it. There are many ways to take action towards your desire, and the specific actions you take will depend on your particular desire. For example, if you want to manifest a new job, you may take action by updating your resume, applying for jobs, networking, and preparing for interviews. If you want to manifest financial abundance, you may take action by creating a budget, finding ways to increase your income, and reducing your expenses. It's important to keep in mind that taking action doesn't have to be big, dramatic steps. Small actions can be just as effective as big ones. The key is to make sure that your actions align with your desire and that you are taking consistent, deliberate steps towards your goal. Additionally, it's important to stay positive and remain confident throughout the manifestation process. Your beliefs and thoughts are powerful, and it's crucial to stay focused on what you want to attract rather than what you don't want. By doing this, you are sending positive energy into the universe, which attracts more positive energy back to you. In conclusion, this technique is simple but powerful. By following these 4 steps, you can quickly bring your desires to life in 1 week or less. Neville Goddard's teachings have been helping people achieve their goals and dreams for decades, and this technique is one of the most effective methods of manifestation. Start today and see the results for yourself. Remember to be patient, stay positive, and never give up on your dreams. I hope this video was helpful, and I would love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this in the days to come. Thank you for watching.